You'll never guess where I'm at today. I made my way to Duluth. I'm going to see the Superior Railroad Museum. Then the wife and I are going to go down and look at the harbor for a while. So I'll catch up to you when we get to the museum. Well, I was going to pay, and I'd be here for an hour with this machine. I don't do well with machines. And then another lady walked by and said it's free on Saturday to park here, so that's great. Look what I just saw here. That's the first time I've seen a car being charged. There's one here in this parking lot for the train museum. Here's something over here. Look at this. I mean, it's looks like a nice, fairly new. I don't know, but I mean, you're on a second level here, and when you see something like this, how safe does it make you feel? That'd be my question. This is kind of cool. This is some of the stuff I see here outside by the parking lot. Yeah. And there's the depot over there. And I'm thinking this is probably indoor train cars and such. Yeah, I'll give you a look at the other side of this parking lot in a second. And then we'll head in. Oh, what that is out there. Just look pretty cool from up here. Well, that's the depot there. That's a grand looking building. And looks like they're doing some kind of renovations here. So I can't go too much further than where I'm at, but I can get a view from here. Yeah, they're doing something there underneath the overhangs. Isn't that a grand old station, whether they're working on it or not? I just love it. Anyway, I think this is where we're heading. Right in here. So I'm in the depot, and today the Minnesota Free Mo Modelers have a display inside the depot. This is a tall building. That's their ceilings. Is it cool or what? So I made my way upstairs. This is the top floor. I'm always in awe over the construction of stuff. Isn't that really something? Look at how that's constructed. That is awesome. Anyway, I came from downstairs where those trains were running, and I didn't see many trains running, so I thought, I'm gonna see if I can come up here. And that's what that layout looks like. Looks like there's a train running down there. That's a pretty big layout, hey? There's another train running over there on that corner. Looks like we've got a passenger train running right down there. Don't know how this is going to come out. I've never taken a video from above a layout like this. That's pretty cool. This is the main hall of the depot. That's cool. Thought I'd give you a peek.
Oh no.
This is pretty cool. They gave us a little pin that clips onto your pocket, or you know, the strap of your camera or something when you paid for your admission to get into the museum. They also gave me a receipt. I ask for a receipt every time I go somewhere, you know, just in case I lost the pin, right? Anyway, I thought this was pretty cool looking, so I thought I'd share it. Well, that's kind of cool. Now that's worth a look. How would you like to be standing in front of the tracks when that comes through?
Party of 4.
They're giving train rides here, so they're announcing names. This is cool. Check out that 1957. I think it's a Pontiac. Is that cool or what? Oh, almost slipped there. I love it. I love it. Okay, this one I can go inside. You can see the name on it, eh? Chicago, Milwaukee, and St. Paul. We're in the right spot. Gonna have to go inside. That is awesome. And there's the controls. I don't know if you can see it or not. So how's this? Pretty narrow walkway, hey? The electrical generator box. Wow. It's pretty cool. There's Diane coming in from the far end.
Are you claustrophobic yet?
Almost. You know me in tight spaces.
Yeah.
Yep. Well, at least I got to video the inside of this. I won't be showing you a lot of this museum. You're going to have to make your way here. This is actually spectacular. Well, I hope you enjoyed this trip. And remember, you'll see those 2 locomotives in my upcoming video of the Chicago Railroad Fair 1848 and 49. Till then, God bless you all. See you on my next one. Hey, that's pretty cool. Anybody want some ice cream? Hot dogs. Awesome. I don't know what year that is. All I know is that's an old boxcar. I'll bet every tourist has a video or a picture of this lift bridge. You know, this is probably me, but every time I see a bridge like this, I just gotta drive over it. And this is like so cool. "15 miles an hour. Dad always says, put your feet up. Always loved the sound of those steel grates. The faster you go, the better it sounds though. Yeah, that was cool.